So today, I'll show you how to change the pin on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So unlock your Smart Band 9 and type in your pin. So type in your pin to unlock it. Then once unlocked, swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access the app menu. Then scroll down and find settings. Here it is. Tap on it. And then within the settings menu, scroll down and find pin. So it is, tap on it. And then I will see the option change pin. So select it. And now you'll be prompted to type in the pin that you're currently using. So type in that pin. And then now you'll be asked to type in a new pin. So type in a new pin. And then you'll be asked to confirm the pin. So type the pin again. Sorry. Then confirm it again. And once confirmed, the pin will be changed. So whenever you lock your Mi Smart Band 9 and unlock it, you'll need to use the new pin that you just changed. So if I use the old pin, it will not work. So type in the new pin that you changed, and that will unlock your Smart Band. So that's basically how to change the pin on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next one.